This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, this is a daily candlestick chart. We'll start here of the SPY. And I was saying last week that I felt the market would pull back into our support level that I drawn here. That's basically that resistance. Once it broke here, role reversal becomes support. We had the moving average support below that as well. And I said once that pulled back, I felt it was going to be a shallow pullback because I felt the RSI here, our oscillator, would be oversold at that point in support. And that's typically a turning point back to the upside in this case. And that's exactly what we got. Now, even though we continue to make some higher highs here after this couple of red days here on Wednesday and currently here on Thursday when I'm recording this, I think you can see the RSI crossed back above its moving average here. They did take, this is Tuesday's high. That was taken out on Wednesday. And so we have gotten more follow through, but you can see we're heading lower here today. And the RSI closed back below its moving average here. Now it's back above. So I think we're going to go a little sideways here for a bit. But let me look at the bigger picture here. I'm going to go to the monthly chart, and let's just take a look at what we've, kind of where we're at here in the monthly chart. So obviously we talked about this off the monthly chart as the S&P continued to make higher highs here. I pointed out the RSI was making lower highs. That divergence was telling us the buyers were weakening, and I was expecting the market to correct. All right, so it corrected, it crashed, all the way down here. And now the RSI has come back. We're above the 20-period moving average here, and we're a couple of days away from the monthly close here on this candle. And the RSI at this point is crossed back above its moving average. And what I would say is if we do close the month out with the RSI above its moving average, whatever the high is for the month, currently it's at 595.54. So next month, if we breach 595.55, right, that would be a sign for me that the market wants to kind of continue to move higher here, and we should get a move higher off of that level. Similar to if you look back at these points where the S&P is above the 20-period moving average here, and the RSI was below but crosses back above on this month here. Once that high got taken out, you see you got a nice run up. Same thing back here, right? We pull back into the moving average. The RSI crosses back above, right? Its moving average this month here. The high here got taken out the following month. You get a nice run. So I'm expecting something similar if and only if they can breach whatever the high is. Currently it's at 595.54 if that gets breached next month. Some of the high impact news expected next week. Monday we've got ISM manufacturing PMI, Wednesday's ISM services PMI, and Friday's average hourly earnings and the big non-farm payrolls report. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.